world filled with speed, danger, and uncertainty, I seek stability, security, and long-term returns. Wine investment brings me a sense of tranquility. It's a race that rewards patience. Life on a racing track sometimes feels like a tornado. The tension, the speed, it's a rush like no other. But when the race ends, I turn to a different investment. In wine, I find stability, where potential matures over time and investments grow steadily. There's a beauty in watching an investment evolve, just like the thrill of a well-executed race strategy. My team understands the art of patience and the value of foresight. In a world of speed and unpredictability, finding stability is a victory in itself.
Discover stability, security, and long-term returns with RareWine Invest. Learn more and download our investment guide at rarewineinvest.com.